Hey guys, welcome back to another video with legit Colleen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the bratz font. So you first want to go to Safari, open it up, go to Funk House font, download this one right here. And once you get that, you want to click on the second one, font to you, right here. So once you click on that, click download. And it's gonna actually want to download. Click download. Then in the top right corner, you're gonna have this little button. You're gonna click on it. It's gonna take you to files if you're on an iPhone. Then once that happens, you want to click on the zip format right here. Then it's gonna open up a folder with this. Click on it. Click on the first one. Click upload and copy to Fonto. Once you copy it to Fonto, it's going to open up and ask you to install the font, which I have already done, so I do not need to reinstall it again. But that's pretty much it. It's a really cute font, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more, and see you guys later.